Hi, I'm Brad Pace with Brad Pace Construction. Are you tired of ruts and holes in your driveway? Do you track in dirt and mud and debris? Interested in having a new professional drive installed? In this video from start to finish, I will show you how. First, we start off by taking up any existing material and hauling it away to an approved dumping site. We grade the existing subbase with the skid steer to ensure the proper thickness of our concrete. It's important to have a good foundation at the start of your drive. We place our forms for a nice clean edge, ensuring that the straight sections are straight and the curves have a nice smooth flow throughout the radius. Some driveways may require a curb to prevent soil erosion. It is important to ensure consistent measurements between the forms. Also, you need to double check the measurements throughout the drive. The arrival of the concrete truck signals it is time to pour your new concrete driveway. We make sure to pour the concrete to the top of the form boards, giving us a consistent thickness of concrete. Remember, we must work quickly before the concrete sets up. We use a vibrating screed to help settle the material in place. We use a combination of hand tools and machinery to smooth out the surface in preparation for finishing. Finishing includes edging with a trowel and brooming the surface to provide a slip-resistant finish. Once the concrete has hardened, we need to remove the forms. Then, mark and cut expansion joints. Next, we backfill with dirt for a smooth transition from your driveway to your yard. After the concrete is cut, we clean it of any dirt and debris. Now, it is time for you to enjoy your brand new concrete driveway. I am Brad Pace, and I would like to help you build your new driveway.